How to make an image move in Canva. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To move an image in Canva, so you have to tap on to create, or in the search button mainly you just have to go to your template, like preferred width of template. For example, I'm going to use this presentation. Now I'm just gonna add a random background from here. For example, this one, I'm just gonna add this one from here to there. So that's it. Now we're gonna add image to our presentation. For example, we are gonna add upload files. So we're gonna add an image right from our pictures. Then we're gonna use this one. Now you have to open it up. So after uploading, let me show you. So let's tap onto it, and after uploading, here you can see this animate option. Just tap onto animation. Now we can use previously made this what you can say, this animations. Also you can just use your own animation, just choose it, then you have to just take it over like this. Okay, now you have just have tap done. So if now you will be able to see how it turns out. So let me show you. So this is how it will look like. So this is how you can move an image in Canva. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video.